goes the baby. London Bridge is falling down, my fair baby. Look at you kicking away, Luke. Where are you going? Oh! Are we gonna smile, Luke? London Bridge is falling down, my fair baby. Should we do a different song? This is Luke's version of Welcome to the Jungle. He's in his jungle play gym, kicking away. I don't know where he thinks he's going. He scooched himself down because he actually started out and face was right here by the mirror, and he scooched all the way down. You scooched down, silly baby. He's a happy baby. Who's a happy baby? Hey, Luke. So we've got a monkey. We've got a banana hanging. Over here we have, what's this? A hippo. And back here we have a giraffe. Say hello, baby. Hello. Yeah. You gonna start talking soon? And there's the evil baby laugh in the background. That's not Luke. That's an evil baby. Yeah. Yeah.